Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever have you doing when you're watching this. I've been fabulously and safely, and I have words, oh my goodness. And yeah, welcome back to another awkward video. Fabulously and safely. Anyway, oh, this is a 2 a.m. rambles. This is a 2 a.m. rambles. So if you're new here, welcome. All I do is awkward, and we are just going to chat, and I'm going to show you a few things, and then we're going to talk, and then we're going to chat, and then hopefully this isn't 35 minutes long, but it is what it is. And yeah, so cheers. Cheers. So buttons. If you haven't noticed yet, I faded my hair, and this fade system doesn't always work. You can see some colors are still super bright, but when I'm ready to go into a new rainbow, I like to use this. It is called Color Exchange. It's a vegan, bleach-free mask, I guess. It just looks like this. And you can get it on Amazon. Color Exchange. It's a 2-piece set. This is my second set. It's only $7, maybe $8. It's like 7 and change. If you have a temporary hair color like these crazy, I guess crazy? I don't think they're crazy. But if you have regular rainbow dyes, this doesn't work on permanent hair color, is what I'm trying to say. And you want to get rid of your hair color faster. It only lightens my roots just a little bit. If you can stand your hair being in a shower cap for 8 hours, it does make quite a difference. If you see in my last video, you can do a comparison, and my hair is super soft and not fried. It just makes the bleaching transition a little bit easier. So now that we talked about that, we're going to put our little kitties on. Yes, it is called, I hate to open this one, but I'm not using it, but trash. It's called Color Exchange, called Phase Out. And it's a gentle dye decolorer, and it smells to high heaven. It's terrible. But if you can get past that and put the shower cap on and stand it for 8 hours, this is what you get, which is a big significant change. And then I always save this for after I'm done bleaching because these roots are going nowhere. Is the vegan lock-in intensive hair mask that comes with it. So I do recommend these if you're ready for a hair change and you're doing like the rainbow colors like me. So in the next video or so, you will see me blonde, and then you'll see me rainbow again. It's a whole process. So anyways, so buttons. We are about 3 weeks out to our vacation. I'm so excited. And I've been trying to put outfits together. It's really hard because then I'm like, what if I don't like this outfit? Or if I regret not packing this outfit, but we're only going for 6 or 7 days. So I think I'm just going to do like an 8 max. So I think one of my next videos is going to be like picking out outfits, and maybe you guys can vote in the comments down below. I'm trying to look for things. I finally finished the My Little Pony Eat a Bag, so I wanted to show you. So I did, if you saw this in one of my last videos, I added the lace and the little rhinestone hearts, and it's probably one of my favorite bags right now. Okay. There you can see the lines. And I did add more flowers to like the edges to fill in the gaps. And it's probably one of my favorite bags right now. And I do have another Eat a Bag project video coming up. But that was my latest one. Lights. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I just get like anxiety about recording when I know I'm not doing anything wrong. It's just words and I'm spouting them off. I did get these ears in the mail. Was it 2020 or 2021? They came out with the Disney's Minnie Mouse main attraction collection, and once every month they would come out with ears, a backpack, a pin, and a plushie, I believe. That was it. But it was an online only thing, and I was like, oh man, I really want those ears. But I didn't want to do the online waitlist thing, and plus they were super expensive, and all I cared about was the ears. Every video, Pixi, awesome. So I found these on eBay, and I knew that, or I had a feeling, I couldn't prove my idea, but I had the theory that if you let it calm down, that the ears would go lower in price because of resellers. Because once people are scrambling for these limited release things, everybody buys them at the same time, and they don't care about like the price gouging. But for me, I was like, I'm gonna wait it out, and then I looked it up. I have the Peter Pan ones, and the carousel, and something else. But I got these. These were the last in the collection, and they were considered, what does it say? 12 out of 12, limited release. This is supposed to be the Disneyland castle with like the fireworks on the ears, so I thought they were super cute. And I literally found them on eBay for like $15.99. They took a while to ship, and they have this beautiful velvet, so pretty. And the back has the same kind of firework pattern. But it took a while for them to ship, but I did get them, and the only other pair I want is the Tiki Room ears, and right now they're like in my eBay cart, but preparing for this venture into the Blue Ridge Mountains, I kind of want to save my money, but I also don't want them to go up in price because some listings on eBay for the Tiki ears are like $75. So when I found a pair for like 40 bucks on eBay, I was like, I'm gonna sit on those in my eBay cart and decide if I want them. But I do have the fireworks castle ears from the Minnie Mouse main attraction, whatever. I think this year they're doing the Mickey Mouse main attraction, and it's the same idea, but a lot of people I've seen on the Disney groups have said that they don't like the ears. It's like they didn't even try. They said they look cheaply made, so they're not really jumping on the bandwagon, I guess. But I also think because they released the Minnie Mouse attractions during the shutdown for the Disney parks, I feel like people were just kind of missing a part of the action because they couldn't physically be at the parks for so long that they were going online and trying to grab as much as they could of the magic, so to speak. And I'm still angry at Disney, so we're going to move on from that. And I did want to talk a little bit about my journal and how it's going so far. I haven't done an art journal forever. If you are new here, I did start an art journal. And look how thick she is. My style is more collaging and then just taking notes about my day. I try to make it positive, but I do have to write like every now and then like, oh, it rained, or like our plans changed. But so far, this girl be thick. Like, look at that. She's so huge. And eventually, I did add the elastics, but eventually I don't think I'm going to be able to close her. I started her, I have words, I promise, in February. So there's like the first page. Let's just do like a little walkthrough or flip through. I tried to make the inside cover more Disney oriented, and we're just gonna do like a random page. Here's February 23rd. So I just do collages, and then over here I'll add like notes about my day and some stickers and some little tiny clippings. I have so many magazines to go through, like this one, kitty face. I just take magazine clippings, stickers, washi tape. I talked about this glue before. This is called Arteza. And after about 4 months of using this glue, I will say once you get to the bottom of the bottle, because it comes in a pack of 12, it will eventually start bubbling and leaking. I don't know what that's about, but I just kind of when I'm done with my journal entry for the day, I run it under water and kind of like wipe the glue off, and then like I stand it up like this, and then it's almost like an Elmer's glue consistency, but clear. Like, see, so pretty. I just like to look back at it and be like, oh, these collages I made were great. And I'll do like outfit ideas on some random pages, not as my entries, but I'll just like skip a couple pages. A little clippy guy to hold it down while the glue dries. But yeah, right now it's a collage journal. I don't have a lot of money to spend on like different things to collage it with, so I just use old magazines and this glue. Not sponsored, that you can find on Amazon. And so far so good. She be thick, and I put some tape on the side to kind of reinforce her. But yeah, I did hot glue and tape the elastic in to keep it stable, and then I just did like a general touristy map of Orlando because I love living in Florida. So if you want me to go more in depth about like how I do art journals, let me know in the comments down below. This is just kind of like a personal thing. Like, I'm not going to show you every single entry, but that's the general idea. And I can't wait until these pages are done and I can start a new one. But she is going to be very fat when we are done with her. But yay for that. So what else? I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Okie dokie. I hate pollen so much. Oh my god. It is a very, very, very springy time right now in Florida. I got a new phone, finally, after like 6 years, and I said goodbye to Sprint, because if you are new here, I did go through a nightmare of a time with Sprint. Finally said goodbye to them, and I switched to a brand called Spectrum, which is definitely a Florida southeastern type cable company. I mean, they provide our Wi-Fi and our TV, but now they have a mobile service that is separate from what we pay for our cable and our internet. But they actually bounce off of the Verizon towers, so they guaranteed that I was not going to lose service, especially when we go up into the mountains in the first week of May for our anniversary. Yay! So I got the words, I have them. I got the Samsung Galaxy 22. I got the regular because the only difference, and if you're shopping for a new phone and you're an Android person like me, the only difference is literally like a thumbnail of a difference in size. Like, the camera is the same, the speed is the same, the storage is the same. This is the Samsung Galaxy 22, and this is the little case I bought off Amazon just to protect it. It's a little holographic heart number, and the camera is amazing, the quality is amazing. I do love this phone, and this is the backup case I bought, both off Amazon. I'll link them down below if you do have this phone, and it's got like the mandala holographic clear case, and I'm waiting on a custom case to come for... It has Disney characters on it, so of course I would. But I bought these cases just so I didn't feel so paranoid about having a phone without a case, because I am clumsy. And now we have a bird feeder, and then we're going to cut to me hanging the bird feeder out, and then I will say goodbye. Let's see. Got my handy dandy razor. This is from Amazon. I set my mom's up today. When I pick out something for the garden, I ask my mom if she wants one too, so I buy her one. And this is a bird feeder. It's a hanging bird feeder because mine broke. Thank you, squirrels. I'll insert a picture somewhere of what the squirrels did to my freaking bird feeder. And this one is metal. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry about that. I didn't realize that when I opened it, it came in pieces. And I kind of have to put it together. But I thought this bird feeder was pretty cool. And I'm like, just Anyway, it does come apart, which I don't think it's supposed to. Oh, actually it is. It's supposed to... Okay. It comes with a glass globe like that. And it's actually a solar panel. So we're gonna put it together. And then it comes with this hook. But this has the little holes in the side where you put said hook. And then it opens up like this so you can turn the solar part on and off. And then it just has the globe with the wire lights in it. And then you have this metal part where the bird seed goes. I'm so happy it has a drain hole. If you are a gardener or bird feeder, you know how much this is appreciated, like when it rains. And then it has these little circles right here that came with these little guys. So you can put water in this, or feed if you want, and then you can put the feed right here. So we're gonna put that together and then we're gonna hang it outside. Okay, so I think that's all I had to show for you tonight, but you know, I'm expecting all these different packages because I can't keep track of what I order. I do have a closet tour coming up probably after our little vacation, which I'm super excited for. I am going to vlog that, but it might be a series of shorts while we're on the road trip, and then I'll like edit all of it when I come home. But that's not for a couple weeks. And I think what I'm going to do also is like a try on, and like you could do like a help me pack. Like I'll try on like a series of dresses for like the adventure that we're about to embark on, and then you can vote down below. And I think I'm going to include a giveaway, even though I haven't really met my, you know, my current goal. I do want to kind of do a giveaway for like when I come back. So it'll probably be a small giveaway, but you know, like something fun, just because I can, because that's what I do on my channel. I just do a giveaway for no reason, but I kind of want just to have fun with it. So anyway, stop talking, Sarah. It is almost 3 in the morning. So I'm gonna let you go. That was your 2 a.m. rambles, even though it was like a chop and edit cut. Anyway, stop being awkward, stop being weird. Cheers. Anyway, let me know down below if you're interested in a like pack with me type video, because I can never decide what to pack for a vacation. Maybe you guys can help me vote in the comments. And if you are interested in a very small giveaway, let me know also. And yeah, I think I will talk to you next time I see you. Keep doing whatever you want, keep wearing whatever you want. That's the whole point of this channel, is being yourself and being the best person you could be. And if it makes you happy when you look in the mirror, you're doing the right thing. Because if other people don't like it, screw it. If they're losing sleep, shouldn't affect you, it doesn't bother you. And I will again, talk to you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Awkward bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. They're so pretty. I love them. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that castle and the fireworks. Yeah, my next goal is to get the tiki ears. I have the tiki bow, but nobody remembers the tiki bow. I have like every freaking swap your bow ever. Like, I made sure to get them. I actually have a spare that I was considering doing a giveaway for, and it's the Cheshire Cat bow. So I think my Disney friends here on YouTube would like love that bow, so I might do a random giveaway with that bow. Say bow one more time. Drink every time I say bow. Look at the ear, they're so pretty. I may have my qualms with Disney, like I said in one of my last rants, get ready with me, but Disney has a place in my heart forever. I can't help it. I'm still mad at them, but I still love Disney. It's a love-hate relationship. It truly is the definition of a love-hate relationship. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. Love you. Bye.